How and when do I start the campaign?
Right. So let's say, hypothetically, how when do you start the campaign? Okay. So you, depending on your budget, depending on a lot of stuff, but my average timeline that I like to look at is about a 2 to 3 month lead up. So if you want to launch a crowdfunding campaign in, say, October, hold on, where are we? August, September, October. So hypothetically, you want to launch a campaign mid to end of October. What you're going to do is you're going to start marketing now, and you have like a 2 to 3 month build up where you're building your email list. Okay. And then your crowdfunding campaign will last on average 35 days. So we'll say from middle October 15th, you launch, and then November 15th, you're done. And then after that point, what happens is Kickstarter will take about 2 to 3 weeks to transfer the money to your account. And then that's when you start fulfilling. So if we'll say a campaign ends November 15th, by December 1, money's in the bank, you put in the inventory order in December 1. And when that happens, you're going to start shipping product out, say, 2 to 4 months out from that, depending on your relationship with the manufacturer. And then, so hypothetically, we say, okay, so December 1, you put in the order, January, February, March, all product is fulfilled, right? When product gets fulfilled, right at that time frame, you're now planning your Amazon launch, and you're getting on Amazon 2 to 3 weeks after that by using your email list, your customer base, your reviews to then launch strong on Amazon, and you scale from there.
Perfect.